Students of Difu Government College, Assam University Difu Campus, Jorhat Engineering College, Difu Law College and Karbi Youth Development Organization dispatched relief materials and extended moral support to the victims of eviction at Rongpangthir. On 2nd of July, Karbi Youth Development Organization KYDO, led by its president Rangsina Rongpi along with his team visited the site of the eviction, which was carried out on Saturday. Likewise, a group of students from Difu Government College, led by Mohendrakathar, students of Assam University Difu Campus, Difu Law College and Jorhat Engineering College also visited the victims of the eviction drive to extend their moral support at this point of time. Karbi Youth Development Organization appeals the government to compensate the affected families and also to allot them a new plot of land to start their living at the earliest. Meanwhile, the students from different institutes also appeals the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Authority to evict those illegal occupants living in Keronis Village Grazing Reserve and Professional Grazing Reserve, as they are also occupying government's land and they are residing illegally. They reminded the government that no one is above the law and therefore the law should be equal to all.
Dak nonapor nitum dak as student ladak as student pini ladak golf college student do university student do lapen kaprek student do dak aching room jungjung as student patumi labang so Rongpangthir along kaivik ilitum angjir akorte ebong martum hanche thek long kachijin sodun si ilitum ling chereng no si nitum asap sovet sitame rabdam nangpu itum chingwai soi si pini nitum non ladak nang pali long ladim lasi ladak nang pali pen itum chingki chethan long lo lapen local mc ake hai sarjuni timung patame itum ladak chetong long lo lasi alang lit phantame itum chuning ridun lo dak unan bang ke permanent solution ladak labang sorong arada phan permanent solution ki pg phansi nitum chuning ridun lo.
They also appealed the government to produce a permanent solution to their problem and the temporary solution and also request to make this matter as an utmost priority. They also informed that as many as 33 children studying at different schools and colleges are at stake and their parents are also helpless at the moment.
So talking about the situation, the people are facing a lot of problems. So I just want to urge the government to solve their problem as soon as possible and not in a temporary way. I just urge the government not to bring only rice, fruits, biscuits or water or anything. I just want you to solve their problem in a permanent way and provide accommodations in a permanent way. And here, the people who have been suffering are living only in one room. And there are a lot of people living here. And there are children, there are women, there are men. So some of the children are suffering and some are having exams. So as a human being, not as a political party leader or not as a leader of an organization, but as a human being, they are facing a lot of problems. So as a human being, I urge the government to step down as soon as possible and to solve their problem as soon as possible and in a permanent way and to provide their accommodations in a permanent way.
Dirchuna Rongpi's report from Puloni and News Text report from Difu, Karbi Anglong Live.